Let me show you my go-to beginner-friendly fast sewing project. She's cute, quick to make, and perfect for when you need a dress right away, or honestly just when you need a sewing win. I made this for an event I had the next day, so let me show you how I made it happen as a beginner. I used this sturdy lace fabric I found on sale. It's stretchy in one direction, which is helpful. Ideally I'd want 4-way stretch, but we can make it work. Also, the trim is like a built-in hem, which means I'm not hemming if I don't have to. For the bodice, I got bold and drafted my own pattern for the first time using a YouTube tutorial. Is it perfect? No, but stretchy fabric forgives. For the sleeves, I reused the pattern I already had, also made for stretch. Now it's cutting time. I'm keeping the lace trim aligned at the hem to save me time later. I tried something new here. The lining starts at the chest area instead of the neckline. I thought it might add some depth, and I'm just eyeballing this part. Now I'm going to be sewing the lining to the lace like this. Please enjoy this very professional diagram I have here. This lace is so textured that you can barely see the stitch lines, which is perfect. Now repeat for the back piece. Next, sew the shoulder seams and the side seams. This is when it actually starts looking like a dress. This is optional, but I serged the edges to reduce bulk. The sleeves are next. We're gonna sew the seams and then attach them to the body of the dress. The next step, which is the final step, would be to finish the neckline. I did it in the sloppiest way possible since it won't show on this fabric, but feel free to do what works with your fabric. And that's it. This was done in under a day. The key here is choosing a strong, stretchy fabric that'll do most of the work for you. I hope this inspired you to make something, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!